Good afternoon, hands. My name is Alejo, work hands industry expert, and today we're going to be doing our very first video tutorial. What we're going to be doing is taking your standard fiber metal pipeliner hood, and we're going to be adding one of Stellstrom's adapters to turn it into a flip front. So as you can see, we've removed the headgear and the lens retaining ring. From here, we're going to cut along the lines of the current lens retainer and remove that. What we're going to use to remove the lens retainer: standard air tool and a zip disc. So once you remove the whole unit, you're left with these 4 tabs that hold the old lens retainer. Now there's a number of ways you can remove them, but what we're going to do is take a roll-lock, another standard air tool, 50 grit roll-lock wheel, and this buzzing down. So now that we have the old unit removed, we're left with a square cut. Our new Stellstrom adapter has 2 tabs on the side, so we're going to have to make room for those. So what we're going to do is put it through the back, take our Sharpie, mark where we need to remove material. And we're just going to take another air tool, standard die grinder with a carbide bit, and just grind away what we need to make it fit. So as you can see, finish using a die grinder, remove the material on each side of the cut. From here, take the back end of our adapter, slides right in, take the front piece, put on there, and add our screws. So I just finished installing our second screw, and that completes the installation of our flip front adapter. You now have a flip front pipeliner hood. At this point, you can choose to be done, or, as many of you know, the pipeliner hood extends down kind of far, which kind of restricts your up and down head movement. So what we're going to do is take some masking tape, mask off approximately about 1 inch off the bottom, and buzz that off. And what that's going to do is prevent the hood from hitting us in the neck and allow us to look up and down to see our work. I just finished laying out my cut line with masking tape. And the reason I use masking tape instead of just cutting it is because it allows me to match the contour of my cut line to the existing contours of the hood. So from here, again, take my air tool with a zip disc, buzz it right off. Also, on a side note, you can see I removed the adapter. That's just so we don't damage it in the process. I removed approximately 1.25 inches of material from the bottom of the hood. What you just saw me doing was, again, roll lock with 50 grit on it, just smoothing out the cut so that way we don't leave any sharp edges that hit us in the neck or chest. From here, all we have to do, reinstall the adapter, and you now have a flip front pipeliner hood that won't hit you in the neck or chest while you're working. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great day and work safe.